This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, Homework 15, question 16. A bird is flying with a speed of 12.8 meters per second over water when it accidentally drops a 2.10 kilogram fish. So I've got myself a bird that's flying with a fish, there's my fish, and it's moving at 12.8 meters per second. And the fish is 2.1 kilograms, that's my mass. That's my velocity. And this fish hits the water, and the altitude of bird is 6.2 meters, so I know that my height here equals 6.2 meters. What is the speed of the fish when it hits the water? Well, if the bird's going at 12.0, so is the fish. So at the top, I've got some KE because the fish is moving at 12.8 meters per second. I've also got some PE because it can fall 6.2 meters. When it hits the water, the energy is all potential because it can't fall anymore. So I've just got some KE at the bottom. Sorry, the energy is all kinetic at the bottom because it can't fall anymore. So this is at the top, and this is at the bottom. So I've got a 1/2 mv squared plus an mgh at the top. And on the bottom, I've got a 1/2 mv squared. So at the top, I'm going to just complete this down here. I've got 1/2. The mass of the fish is 2.1 kilograms. The velocity of the fish is 12.8 meters per second, and I'm going to square that. Plus, the mass of the fish is 2.1 kilograms. Gravity is 9.81 meters per second. The height is 6.2 meters, equals 1/2 times the mass of 2.1 kilograms times the final velocity squared. Now you might notice that mass is here and mass is here and mass is here, so you really don't need that at all. So you can do 1/2 of 12.8 plus 9.8 times 6.2 equals 1/2 v squared, double it, square root it, and you'll get yourself the final velocity of the fish. A lot easier than a projectile motion problem if you do it with energy.